Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Sound Recorder app. Then click on Agree in the pop-up and choose while using the app. Following that, click on this gear icon and adjust all of those settings before recording, like format. When you're ready, go back and click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Now, to find list of all your recordings, click on the same right button, now with 3 lines. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, go back, hold it, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner and choose Rename. Now type in wherever you wish to and hit OK in the pop-up. To get rid of your recording though, you need to hold it as well, but this time choose this pin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!